Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a modern gas pump with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place another 2x4 plate right on top of one another. Then I want to slide in a 2x2 plate right in the bottom center, followed by a set of upwards 1x2 by 2x2 angular plates. Place those right there. Then I'm going to take a 1x2x2 corner plate. I'm going to place 3 1x1 plates right on top of the corner plate. Now these are going to be used as little buttons for the different grades of fuel in our gas pump. I'm going to make 2 of these, and I want to set these in such a way where they are like this. Then a pair of 1x2x2 corner plates and a 2x2 flat tile right in the center to lock all that together. And the 2 1x1 openings, a set of 1x1 angular headlight bricks. These are going to be used to hold our nozzles. For a set of controls, we're going to take an angular headlight brick. We're going to place a 1x1 flat tile that has some buttons. I'm going to make 2 of these. I'm going to place these right above the previous headlight bricks. Then a keypad with an angular headlight brick and a 1x1 flat tile with a keypad print. We're going to make 2 of these. Place these on the opposite side, right behind our control pads. Then some downwards 1x2 by 2x2 angular plates to lock the sides together. Next, we're going to take a 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plate. I'm going to place a transparent light blue flat tile. Now, if you choose, you can put a little insert in there for fuel. And on the top, a 1x2 plate. Then, a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. I want to make 2 of these, and these are going to be our display windows. I'm going to place this one on this side right here. And for the sides, a 2x6 flat tile and a downwards 1x2 by 2x2 angular plate. I want to make 2 of these, and I'm going to fix these to our previous angular plates. This is going to form up the bottom portion of our modern gas pump. For the top of our gas pump, we're going to start with a 2x6 flat tile. I want to flip this over. I want to place a set of 1x4 bricks with 4 studs back to back, as shown. In these 2 opposing corners, a pair of 1x1 bricks with 1 stud. I'm going to have the studs facing outwards. And in the remaining area, a set of 1x1 bricks with 2 adjacent studs. Place those right there. Now I want to flip this back over. Right in the center, I'm going to place a pair of 1x2 plates. Place this one on the back side. And a set of 1x3 bricks with bow. Now if you choose, you can put a logo on these. Place these 2 back here to complete the top. Now we're going to set our top right on top of our angular plates. And for nozzles, we're going to take a short string with 2 studs. I'm going to take a tap. I'll place the tap on as shown. It's a very crude gas pump nozzle. I want to make 2 of these. I want to attach these right on the sides. And I want the cord to hang down like that. Make another one. Set this one on this side right here. Okay. Then I'm just going to stick our nozzles inside the little holders for the gas nozzles there. Place this one right here. We don't want to leave those hanging around. That's a safety hazard. Place this one right in there to complete the modern gas pump.